Hello to everyone. How are you guys? I hope all of you are great and always healthy. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video right now. Before I start, I would like to thank God because today I can deliver my speech, which is a blessing from God. Also, thank you to Ma'am Ira for giving me this opportunity. I hope I can deliver it successfully. Okay, my name is Elmira Aubyn Azzahrina from class F, and I'm going to give an informative speech about the self-service system at restaurants in Indonesia. First of all, do you guys know what self-service is? Are you still unfamiliar with it? Or have you ever done that system before? Okay, don't be confused, guys. Now I will ask you a question. Have you ever ordered your own food and drinks, brought them to your own table, and cleaned them by yourself without the help of a waiter when in a restaurant? Yep, I am sure you have. And that's called self-service system, guys. To be clear, I will tell you what a definition of a self-service system is. The definition of self-service, according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, is the serving of oneself as in a restaurant or gas station with goods or service to be paid for at the cashier desk. Customers take control of their dining experience by ordering themselves or using an application without waiting for a real waiter or cashier. Do you get my point? Self-service is a Western culture that has developed in Indonesia. Many restaurants use a self-service system. For example, our favorite fast food restaurant, McDonald's. McDonald's implements a self-service system by ordering through the application. Very sophisticated, isn't it? Positive technology that is growing must be appreciated, guys. Now, to help you better understand what the self-service system is, I will explain the concept of self-service in a restaurant. The concept of self-service in a restaurant is to serve yourself from start to finish when in a restaurant. So, when you have finished eating your order, you have to clean up your table and also return your cutlery. If you have leftovers from your food, you should also throw them in the trash by yourself until your table is clean again. But guys, people's view nowadays on the Western culture of self-service that is growing in Indonesia show that there are still many people who have not realized the concept of self-service. Many Indonesians believe that I pay a lot of money at this restaurant, and why should I have to serve myself even though there are waiters whose job it is to serve customers? Guys, as the days, months, and years go by, there must be new good technologies as well. We have to tolerate one of the Western cultures that exists in Indonesia by doing it well. And we as Indonesian citizens must respect and tolerate the culture that grows in our country. After all, the self-service system teaches us a lot and gives us many benefits. What are the benefits of a self-service system? Do you know, guys? Calm down. I will give you 3 benefits of a self-service system. First, we will not get the wrong order if we order our own foods. We know what we want, what we order, and of course, there is no problem with our food and drink. Second, we become more independent when in the restaurant, starting with ordering our own orders without having to wait in long queues. The purchasing and payment processes are also quick. The last is safety. The
COVID-19
virus that still exists in Indonesia also requires us to always keep our distance. Thanks to the self-service system, we as customers no longer need to interact a lot with restaurant waiters. Okay, I think that's all I can give about Western culture in Indonesia, the self-service system. We, as Indonesian citizens, must be able to appreciate the Western culture that is developing in Indonesia, because the self-service system is very useful for our lives in the future. Okay, thank you for your attention, guys, and see you in another moment. Goodbye.